Hello guys, welcome to our channel Best or Nothing. Today we are going to see some motorcycle crashes. You will enjoy watching these and you will get to know a lesson too, that you need to drive safe with full protection, otherwise you can even lose your life. So let's get started. During a motorbike race, this biker lost his control on the bike. These kind of scenes are common in bike racing when your bike gets out of control and you fall. The one thing good here is that he is wearing proper protection, which will save him from any high damage. The life of bikers are not easy. This biker was easily riding his bike through the gap between the vehicles, and suddenly a car driver turns his car to the bike rider. These guys have a very risky life, as no care for others' life.
Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for?
This biker was riding on a hill station at a very high speed, and at a cut he was unable to properly turn his bike due to high speed, and he crashes into a group of bikers standing there. Really scared moments, as he could have fallen down from there and there was no chance to be alive after that. He must have got heavy injuries. Please drive safe and slow.
So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone?
A group of bikers was standing when suddenly a bike crashes into one of the biker and gives heavy damage to his bike, and the biker too falls. These are the results of overspeeding. Just think of the person who has fallen from that bike. I have seen one thing, that most of the bikers are young blood and they are always in a hurry, and that's why most of the accidents happen. Here too, this young man was overspeeding and crashed in a moving car. It was his good luck that he didn't came under that or any other vehicle. Third car hits the car going in front of the biker and he is crashed for no reason. This is when you are unlucky and you can get things happen from anywhere. This is what happens when you try to show off your biking skills and try to be cool. Again, this biker tried to be cool as he wanted to perform wheelie at a high speed, and you can see the result on your own. These guys mostly do these things to record and upload these kind of clips on social media. The most scaring clip when a deer comes in front of a speeding biker and he hits him. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think you must have learned your lesson too, that you should not ride your vehicles, especially bikes like them. These things look good in video but are very dangerous in real life. Thanks for watching.